Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a foundation wear test. This is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. Now, I've been hearing like everybody and their mother talking about this online, so I wanted to get my hands on it, which wasn't very easy because basically like every single shade was sold out on Sephora. So I grabbed the shade Creme Brulee 150G, and this was basically one of 3 shades that was left. It's a light to medium with some golden undertones, and this foundation, it is high coverage, obviously faux filter, and this does say it camouflages imperfections and pigmentation, soft focus. So I wanted to give it a go. Now I will say, when I first got this was $40, all right? That's not cheap. And I opened it up and it's like plastic. It's a plastic bottle, which to me, like, I'm immediately thinking of my little Wet n Wild $5.99 photo, I think it's their Photo Focus foundation, but it's $6 and it comes in a glass bottle. This is $40 and it's plastic. I don't know about that, but in any event, it does come with a pump, which is always nice. I'm going to basically walk you through me applying it and then check in a couple times for day 1, 2, 3, and then give you my final thoughts at the end. Here's a shade range on Sephora. You can see it's pretty extensive. Good luck finding yours until they restock. But if you go to Huda's website, everything's in stock. It's pretty thick, what you would expect from a faux filter foundation. So we're just gonna go ahead and dot this. Oh. I don't think this is gonna be the right shade. That's an attractive look. This is probably the thickest foundation I've ever used. Oh my gosh. It definitely has a very strong scent to it. Really, really florally. We'll see though, it might dissipate throughout the day. The other thing too, oh my gosh, seriously? Oh, this color, why? What was I saying? Oh, about the scent in foundations. I never understood why they put scent in foundations because it can really irritate your skin. I'd rather just have no scent at all. I can see areas where I would recommend definitely going in with a lighter amount. Like it has, to me, it looks like it wants to cake in certain areas, like right here, in here, and around the nose, which is typical problem areas. It like melts into the skin, but still looks like makeup. Does that make sense? I don't even know. I mean, now that it's blended, it definitely looks a lot better than it did when I first put it on, so that's promising. Okay, so obviously I have the rest of my face on, and here's what I'm thinking. Like, from a distance, it's gorgeous. It literally is like, oh my gosh. The problem is, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but when you get up here, like, it's just clinging weirdly. Like, my skin isn't dry, but it looks like it is. And then down here, it's like a little bit heavy. So I don't know. I think because I'm doing like a 3-day wear test, maybe tomorrow I'll use a little less and see how that goes. I did not make it to day 3 with the Huda Faux Filter foundation because the perfume in this stuff was literally driving my skin crazy. After day 2, I could feel my skin starting to tighten. It was feeling dry, and I just thought, no way, I'm calling it here. Now its pros, I will say again, from a distance, it looks stunning. I don't have it on my face today. I have the Too Faced Peaches and Cream on my skin today. But the Huda, from a distance, it looked flawless. It held up really well throughout the day. I'm talking like 10, 12 hours. It was still doing pretty good. The issue was, because it's such a heavy foundation, it's so thick, even using less than half a pump, it would start to cake here pretty quickly, do weird things here. So it just was not a good match for my skin. So unfortunately, a fail for me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.